Here are 7 steps that you need to follow to have as much money as you want and retire whenever you want. And you may need a pen and paper for this one. Now, step 1 is to find your retirement number. Retirement is a number, not an age. And so we want to figure out what that number is. And we're going to use the 25x rule. This means you want to figure out how much am I going to spend every year in retirement, and you're going to multiply that number by 25. So if you want to spend $80,000 per year, you multiply that by 25 and you're going to get $2 million. That's how much you need invested in order to be financially free. Now, step 2 is we need to figure out a way to live below our means. And this is just a way to say spend less than you make. Because now that we have our target, it is time to start saving aggressively. And if you can keep your expenses low even when your income rises, even better. Because it's not about how much you make, it's how much you keep and invest. Now, step 3 is to maximize our retirement accounts. Contribute as much as possible to your 401k, your Roth IRA, your HSA, your Roth 401k. And if you're over the age of 50, you can take advantage of catch-up contributions. This is where tax advantages are going to give you a serious boost. Now, step 4, and this is one of my favorites, is to automate your finances. Make your investing automatic. Make your bill pay automatic. Make your budgeting automatic. Create an entire automated financial system so you don't have to think twice and you don't have to rely on your willpower. It is 2025. You can automate everything. Now, step 5 is to add additional income streams. Now, this can be like investing in real estate. This could be starting a business. This could be starting a side hustle. But having additional income streams allow you to take those extra dollars and invest them so you can achieve that freedom number faster. Step 6 is to rebalance and optimize. Check your portfolio at least once per year and make sure your investments are aligned with your goals. Adjust as needed, but avoid overreacting to any short-term market conditions. Now, step 7, and this is the hardest for most people, is to stay patient and stay consistent. Here's the hardest part. Staying patient and ignoring the noise. Stick to your plan and let compounding work its magic. Consistency over time is going to beat everything else. If you follow these 7 steps, you will be on your way to retiring soon. Comment wealth down below if you want our free wealth building guide that takes you step by step.